The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is a specialized, trail-ready version of the iconic Jeep Wrangler, designed for those who prioritize extreme off-road capability while still enjoying modern creature comforts. Built with a strong foundation of military heritage, the Rubicon takes the rugged character of the Wrangler to its peak, blending mechanical toughness with advanced technology. The Rubicon trim is named after the legendary Rubicon Trail in California, which the vehicle is engineered to conquer right off the showroom floor without modifications. In terms of powertrains, the Rubicon offers several engine options to cater to different driving needs. The standard engine is a 3.6-liter Pentasta V6 that delivers 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. It's available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. For more low-end torque and better fuel efficiency, there's an available 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 270 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Jeep also offers the Rubicon 4xe, a plug-in hybrid that combines a turbocharged engine with 2 electric motors and a 17 kWh battery pack. This setup produces 375 horsepower and an impressive 470 lb-ft of torque, while also offering up to 21 miles of all-electric range. For those seeking maximum power and a V8 rumble, there's the Rubicon 392 variant, featuring a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Rubicon's off-road hardware is where it truly excels. It comes equipped with Jeep's RockTrack 4x4 system, which includes a 4:1 low-range transfer case designed for serious rock crawling. Both front and rear axles are heavy-duty Dana 44s, featuring electronic locking differentials that allow for equal power distribution to both wheels when traction is needed most. The Rubicon also includes an electronic front sway bar disconnect system, enabling greater wheel articulation on uneven terrain. With a 4.10 axle ratio, standard 33-inch all-terrain tires, 35-inch tires optional, and high-clearance fender flares, the Rubicon is capable of tackling steep inclines, deep mud, and rocky paths with ease. Its approach angle of approximately 43.9 degrees, breakover angle of 22.6 degrees, and departure angle of 37 degrees, on the two-door, provide exceptional geometry for serious off-road use. Ground clearance sits at around 10.8 inches, and the Rubicon is rated to ford water up to 33.6 inches deep. Visually, the Rubicon distinguishes itself from other Wrangler trims with bold Rubicon decals on the hood, red tow hooks front and rear, black or body color fender flares, and optional steel bumpers. It offers extensive roof and door configurations including a removable soft top, 3-piece Freedom hardtop, and the Sky One Touch power top which retracts the canvas roof at the push of a button while still keeping the side rails in place. Doors are removable and the windshield folds flat, offering the open-air freedom that has long defined the Wrangler experience. Inside, the Rubicon balances function and technology. The cabin is durable, designed for off-road life with rubberized floor mats, drain plugs, and optional weather-resistant upholstery. Seat options include cloth or leather with red contrast stitching. Front seats are manually adjustable in most trims, though power options are available in the 4xe and 392 models. The dashboard is designed for usability with large physical controls that can be operated with gloves on. The Uconnect infotainment system comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, while an 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation and an Alpine premium audio system is optional or included on higher trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are standard, and there's an available off-road display that shows pitch, roll, steering angle, and drivetrain status. On the safety side, modern driver assistance features are available, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, rear parking sensors, and automatic emergency braking. However, these features are often optional or included only in packages or higher trims, as the Wrangler is still designed primarily as a mechanical and manually controlled vehicle. Jeep offers the Rubicon in both 2-door and 4-door unlimited body styles. The 2-door is more maneuverable off-road due to its shorter wheelbase, while the 4-door provides additional passenger space and cargo capacity, making it more suitable for families or overlanding adventures. Storage space in the 4-door Rubicon is decent, offering up to 72.4 cubic feet of cargo volume with the rear seats folded. Fuel economy varies depending on the powertrain. The V6 with automatic gets around 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, while the turbocharged 4-cylinder offers slightly better efficiency. The Rubicon 4xe offers a unique advantage in urban use with electric-only driving for short commutes, while the Rubicon 392 trades efficiency for sheer power and sound, averaging around 13 to 17 miles per gallon combined. Customization is a major part of Rubicon ownership. Jeep offers hundreds of factory and aftermarket accessories, from winches, roof racks, and light bars to performance lifts and snorkels. The Mopar catalog and Jeep Performance Parts program give owners the ability to tailor their Rubicon to personal tastes, whether for trail conquering or aggressive urban styling. The starting price of the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon varies depending on body style and engine, typically starting around $47,000 for a base two-door model with the V6, and easily rising above $60,000 or more with options, larger engines, and luxury upgrades. The Rubicon 392 starts around $90,000, placing it in a much more premium territory. Ownership of a Rubicon isn't just about having a capable SUV, it's a lifestyle. The Jeep community is one of the most active in the automotive world, with frequent meetups, off-road events, and a culture of customization, trail badges, and shared adventure. The Rubicon, in particular, stands as the badge of honor among Jeep fans, known for its unmatched factory-built off-road performance and iconic status. In summary, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon delivers on its promise as a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, combining raw mechanical ability with modern-day comforts and unmistakable design. Whether crawling over rocks in Moab, splashing through mud in the Appalachians, or just cruising top-down through town, it remains one of the most sought-after and respected off-road vehicles in the United States. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.